In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Klaviyo in Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify and Klaviyo accounts in separate tabs. Before proceeding, make sure you've already created at least one sign-up form in Klaviyo. If not, watch our dedicated video on how to create one. Now, inside your Shopify account, look to the bottom left and click Apps. If Klaviyo appears in the list, click on it directly. Otherwise, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. In the App Store's search box, type Klaviyo and hit Enter. When the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS app appears, click on Install at the end of it. On the following page, scroll down slightly and click Install again. You'll then be redirected to your Klaviyo account, where it may ask for permission to integrate. Be sure to approve. Next, return to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Online Store from the left menu, then hit Customize next to your active theme. Inside the theme editor, find and click on the Embeds icon on the left side. Locate the toggle for Klaviyo and switch it on. Finally, click Save at the top right corner. Now, whenever visitors land on your site, your Klaviyo sign-up form will appear as configured. That's how you can install Klaviyo in Shopify.